it's Priscilla from Priscilla's Paper Crafts. Have you ever wanted to make a card where your chairs are facing each other and not away from each other? Let me show you how to do that. Okay, we're going to start with our Stampin' Positioner, and I have my paper lined up and I've put my stamp where I want it. For the first way, I'm going to go ahead and pick up my stamp. Which sticks to the paper, which is why I'm going to reline it up. Okay, here's my stamp, and I'm going to ink it up. Let's pull this back in. Okay, my chair is inked up. I'm ready to go. And I'm going to just give it a press all over. And voila, beautiful chair. Now, I want it to face the other direction. So here's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to use a silicone craft mat. And I'm putting it down in the same area. Now I'm going to then re-ink my stamp. Reposition it, and stamp. I want to get a good image. Now, there it is. Now I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to go ahead and lay this down right over the image where I want it. And I'm going to retake my stamp. I don't have to re-ink it. And I'm just going to go ahead and press right over where that was on my silicone craft sheet. So there's another nice image, but we're not going to be using that one. We're going to be using that one. So then we're going to take our die. So I've got my die. I'm going to go ahead and put this on here, and I'm doing the first chair, which was the one that was the original stamp. Line that up. And here's my first chair. And now what I'm doing is I'm doing the same, the one that I stamped, not the wrong way, as I couldn't cut that out. I'm doing the same thing here. I'm going to line that up. Like so. And I'll cut it out. Now this would actually give me two chairs facing the same direction if that's what I wanted. Here they are here, but if I flip that over, now look at that. Now I've got a mirror image and both of my chairs are facing, they're facing each other. So I can put them together for a card. And that's how you use your silicone craft sheet to get a reverse image. This technique works great when you have animals that you want to have face each other, the chairs that are facing each other, anything at all that you're trying to get a reverse image. So I hope this helps you and that you have some fun crafting with this new idea of how to create a reverse image. Thanks for watching.